Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Pay Per Click we'll discuss about how AdWords bidding works. There is an auction that happens as far as the keywords are concerned. How the entire process goes is something that we'll discuss about it. What is bidding in PPC? A CPC is set against a keyword. Cost per click, CPC. A cost per click is set against a keyword. When you are executing a campaign, a PPC campaign in AdWords, you give a cost to per keyword. You say that for this particular keyword I am going to pay this much. Whenever there is a click, the impressions are happening. When the user clicks on that particular ad, whatever the amount that you have set against that particular keyword, you are actually paying Google, and that is basically a CPC is calculated, cost per click. When more than one advertiser completes a bid, is triggered dynamically. Let us say, for example, there is a person called A and there is a person called B. Both are basically executing a running PPC campaign on AdWords. They have similar keywords. They have a similar keyword and they have a similar keyword. Let us say one has a training in PPC, a training in AdWords. Both have the same keyword. Both have set a particular price and amount for the particular keyword. And how actually Google displays their ad, which one goes on the top, which one goes down. When the ad is clicked, if there are same keywords, a trigger happens. A trigger happens in terms of a bid when both are competing for the same keyword. A trigger happens dynamically, and actually Google takes several factors into consideration to which ad will come on top and which ad will go down. There are 3-4 ads on the top, both are in the same company, both are competitors. Why one ad will go up, why one ad will go down, ad basically is associated with several factors. Ad rank is based on CPC bid and quality. What are those factors? It could be CPC, and it is not necessarily only CPC. Let us say, for example, one particular company is paying $10 or $15, and the same company, some other company is paying the same amount, $15 per click. Why one company will come and why other company will come down? It is not just about the bid price. It is basically associated with quality score also. Quality score again is based on several other factors in terms of of course, the bid price. Of course, then there is a landing page, the look and feel, the quality of the ad, the quality of the heading, the description, and the website or the land. These are the factors that are taken into consideration for giving a quality score. Quality score plays a very, very important role in AdWords because Google considers it highly in terms of placing the ad on the top. The cost per click plus the quality score determines which ad will go on the top and which ad will go down. How bidding works actually starts with a query by the users. A user has come to Google and they have typed a keyword. Let us say Google AdWords training. That is the keyword. Google AdWords training. There are a lot of companies are offering Google AdWords training. There are more or less same bidding. Their price for each keyword is more or less the same. It could be $10. Say for example, there are 2 to 3 different companies. The ad is displayed. The keyword is the same. The price may be the same or the bid may be the same. When the user actually clicks on the ad from the query that they have displayed, the ad is displayed, the impressions are happening, the clicks happen. When the clicks happen, the bid is actually triggered dynamically. It actually Google identifies which is the best ad in terms of the CPC, in terms of the quality score, then that particular ad actually goes on the top. Auction is triggered when more advertisers are actually bidding for the same keyword for the same price. The auction happens here like 1, 2, 3. Which ad is number 1, which ad is number 2, which ad is number 3. This is based on the CPC, cost per click, and the quality score. These are the factors that determines which ad will go on the top, the second ad and the third ad. Google determines on 2 factors, maximum bid and the quality score, which has the maximum bid and the quality score. Same maximum bid is more or less the same. Then the quality score is taken into consideration. Best CPC and quality score goes to the top. the best cost per click and the quality score of that particular campaign goes on the top. Conversion is equal to CPC plus quality score. The cost per click is an important element plus the quality score. A good quality score will take your ad on the top. When the ad is displayed on the top, the clicks will happen. When the clicks happen, then the conversions happening. This is actually how the bidding works. What are some of the strategies that you can think of implementing as far as bidding of keywords or auctioning of the keywords is concerned? Goals and objectives. It is extremely important for you to know what are your goals and the objectives. Whether you are looking for sales, whether you are looking for acquisitions, whether you want people to register, whether you want to actually people to download a particular file or a PDF file or a book, or you are actually looking for brand awareness. You need to actually identify what your goals and objectives are before you actually launch a PPC campaign. Relevant keywords, extremely important. You should be completely focused on targeted and relevant keywords, removing all the negative keywords. Negative keywords actually will destroy your campaign. People may type a particular keyword, they are not looking for that particular product or a service. The ad is displayed, the impressions happening, even if people click, you are going to lose money. Make sure that you use a relevant targeted keywords and do a lot of research before you actually set the keywords. And when you set the keywords for the first time, it is not necessary that you continue with the same keywords. When the impressions are happening or impressions are not happening, when the clicks are happening or the clicks are not happening, you need to actually continuously monitor how the campaign is faring up in the search network, and make sure that you keep on tweaking and adding or removing keywords. Optimize landing page, extremely important. Say for example, the campaign is live, there are impressions are happening, people are clicking on the ad, they go to a landing page of the website. But in the landing page, there are a lot of issues, concerns and challenges. Say for example, the landing page is not completely optimized in terms of responsiveness, the ad images are not of high quality, the video is not showing up or moving very slowly, the content is not up to the standards. These are some of the issues that may actually hamper your conversions. People click on the ad, they go to the landing page, they don't like it, they close it. It means you are losing money, but you are not getting conversions. So optimizing the landing page is extremely important, because that is where the conversions happening, that is where the sales happen. Focus on CPC and quality score. Make sure that your CPC is very effective, and you actually go on improving the quality score, and make sure that the quality score is very high so that your ad displayed on the top. Continuous improvement. Keep analyzing the CPC, keep analyzing the quality score, the landing page, the optimization of the landing page, and of course measure the success through the analytics. Track, analyze, measure, report the analytics, so that you can actually go about doing continuous improvement by improving the quality of your ad, the campaign, so that you can drive more and more conversions. And these are some of the strategies that should be implementing to make your PPC campaign a success. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is bidding, how bidding works, and some of the bidding strategies that you can think of implementing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.